Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from radical equations which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started. We have a square root in LHS. So square root must be non-negative. We will write 5x minus 6 minus x square over 2 must be non-negative. So greater than or equal to 0. Now we can take minus common from here and we can write minus in bracket x square minus 5x plus 6 over 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. That means x square minus 5x plus 6 should be less than or equal to 0 because we have minus sign over here. If this bracket will be negative, then minus times minus becomes plus. Now we can factor x square minus 5x plus 6, x minus 2 times x minus 3. This product should be less than or equal to 0. So from this inequality, we are going to get x should be in the interval 2 to 3. Once x is in this interval 2 to 3, we are going to get real solutions. Otherwise, we will get complex solutions. Now we will take up LHS. Here we have x minus 5 times x minus 7, which we will write the square root of 4 minus x, the square root of 4 minus x minus 2, the square root of 1 plus x minus 5 can be written as x minus 6 plus 1. This is x minus 5. Similarly, x minus 7 can be written as x minus 6 minus 1. Now, if we will consider x minus 6 equal to a and 1 equal to b, then we have a plus b times a minus b form, which will be equal to a square minus b square. So x minus 6 whole square minus 1 square. Now 1 square is equal to 1. So we can cancel this plus 1 with minus 1. So there will be x minus 6 whole square in the radicand part only. Let me write here. I will write a square root of 4 minus x square root of 4 minus x minus 2 square root of x minus 6 whole square. And in RHS, we have minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now we know that square root of a square is equal to mod of a, absolute value function of a. So here we will be writing mod of x minus 6. Let me write here square root of 4 minus x times square root of 4 minus x minus 2 times mod of x minus 6 in left hand side. In right hand side, we will write minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now as per our condition, x should be in the interval 2 to 3. That means x is less than 6. Once x is less than 6, then mod of x minus 6 will be minus of x minus 6. as per our condition for x to be real. So here we can write mod of x minus 6 will be minus of x minus 6 or 6 minus x. Now we can multiply these two minus signs and we will get plus sign in between. So we will write our equation square root of 4 minus x square root of 4 plus x minus 2 times x minus 6 equal to RHS. It is minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Again we will use difference of two squares formula over here. Let me write square root of 4 minus x square root of 4 minus x minus 2 and minus of x minus 6. So we can write plus here and here we will be writing x minus 6. And in right hand side we can write minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now we can write x minus 2 times x minus 6. We will write x minus 4 plus 2. This is x minus 2. And x minus 6 will be x minus 4 minus 2. Again we will think x minus 4 equal to a, 2 equal to b. So a plus b times a minus b will be equal to x minus 4 whole square minus 2 square. 2 square is 4 and here we have 4. So we will cancel plus 4 and minus 4. So our equation will convert into square root of 4 minus x square root of x minus 4 whole square. Plus 4 and minus 4 will get over. This will be equal to minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Again we have the square root of a square. So here we will be writing this is equal to mod of x minus 4. Let us write equation here. Square root of 4 minus x mod of x minus 4 equal to RHS minus x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now as per our condition x is in the interval 2 to 3. That means x is less than 4. If x is less than 4, then mod of x minus 4 will be minus of x minus 4 due to this condition only. So we will write a square root of 4 minus x, then in bracket we can write minus of x minus 4 will be equal to minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now this minus and this minus will get positive. So I will write here square root of 4 plus x times x minus 4 equal to minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now we'll write a square root of 4 plus x square minus 4x equal to minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now this is x minus 2 whole square. So we can write a square root x minus 2 whole square equal to minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Again we have square root a square. We'll write mod of a. So mod of x minus 2. Let me write here mod of x minus 2 equal to minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. As per our condition on x, x should be in the interval 2 to 3. Equality is there. So we'll be writing x minus 2 over here. Mod of x minus 2 will be equal to plus x minus 2. So in LHS we have x minus 2. In RHS we have minus of x minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now we can multiply both sides by 2 and write all the terms to one side. So 2 times x minus 2 plus x minus 2 times x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 2 overall common. So we will write here x minus 2 is common, in other bracket 2 plus x minus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 2 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to write either x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2, or x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. But as per our condition on x, x should be in the interval 2 to 3, so 1 will be rejected. So our final answer must be x equal to 2, which is satisfying our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye.